You finish a satisfying dinner, clear the table, and sit down to relax. But an hour later, you are back in the kitchen, staring blankly into the glow of the refrigerator. The common assumption is that your diet is failing. Millions of people blame themselves for this scenario, convinced that their late-night snacking is evidence of a lack of discipline. A look at the science reveals a different reality. Constant hunger is a biological alarm bell, a signal from your body that something in your routine is out of balance. To understand why this happens, we have to look at the satiety equation. Appetite is controlled by an interconnected system of three pillars: our nutritional inputs, our hormonal environment, and our behavioral mechanics. Managing these three triggers shifts the objective from fighting cravings to addressing their biological causes. The first pillar is nutritional input. What you put on your plate dictates whether you successfully trip your body's biological fullness sensors. Protein and fiber act as the biological anchors of a meal. They physically slow down the digestive process, extending the period of fullness after you finish eating. Consuming whole foods like vegetables, legumes, and lean meats requires more physical chewing and digestive effort. This built-in friction reinforces the satiety signal sent to your brain. Ultra-processed foods and liquid calories bypass this process. Sugary coffee drinks and fruit juices lack structural integrity, adding calories without ever triggering those internal fullness sensors. This split-screen comparison shows the difference in real time. On the left, a glass of orange juice digests rapidly, causing a quick spike and crash. On the right, the whole orange takes much longer to break down because the natural fiber slows the process. When you consume liquid calories while neglecting protein and fiber, you create a biological void. Your body registers hunger even though you've absorbed sufficient energy. Beyond the plate, we have to look at your body's internal environment. An unstable hormonal state will trigger cravings, regardless of your recent food intake. Chronic sleep deprivation disrupts the regulatory systems responsible for physical and mental recovery. This biological dashboard illustrates what happens after a bad night's rest. Hunger hormones spike into the red zone, while fullness hormones crash to the bottom of the chart. Chronic stress compounds this chemical imbalance. It drives cravings for highly palatable, processed foods, as your body seeks a quick source of energy to manage the perceived threat. High stress and poor sleep manufacture false hunger. You wake up the next day fighting your own chemistry rather than your actual caloric needs. The final pillar of the equation involves behavioral mechanics, the physical way we eat and drink. This graphic demonstrates brain lag. There's a biological delay between your stomach filling and your brain recognizing it. If you eat too quickly, the timeline breaks. Your stomach hits capacity before the neural signal reaches the brain, causing overeating before the fullness signal arrives. Thirst also plays a role in this confusion. When you go hours without fluids, the brain can misinterpret signals of thirst as hunger pangs. Slowing down your eating pace and maintaining hydration gives your brain the necessary time and data to correctly gauge your true fullness. Managing appetite involves sending specific biological signals to the brain and gut. You can recalibrate the system by including protein with every meal and prioritizing fiber-rich foods to anchor your digestion. Next, stabilize your environmental habits. Consistent sleep and adequate water intake keep your hormones balanced and prevent misinterpreted signals. Finally, adjust your mechanical habits. Eat slowly and remove distractions to give your brain time to process the signals from your stomach. These changes align your daily actions with your biological reality, allowing for sustainable health. Work with your biology, not against it. If you found this breakdown helpful, subscribe to Eat Fit Thrive for more science-backed, system-level nutrition insights every week.